Hi everyone, how are you? I hope all are doing good. Welcome back Murahari Maths online classes. Today I would like to explain integral by parts based on problems. Okay, now explain integral by parts. We know that d by dx of uv. So d by dx, their differentiation of uv is equal to u dv by dx plus v du by dx. Okay. Now, so one dx get cancelled on both sides. So derivative of uv equal to u dv plus v du. Okay, now taking integration on both sides. Now taking integration on both sides, it will going to be integral d of uv equal to integral u dv plus integral v du. So derivative integration get cancelled. uv equal to, so integral u dv plus integral v du bring the left side. Okay, uv minus integral v du. It can be written as integral u dv equal to integral uv minus integral v du. Okay. Okay. We have got integral u dv equal to uv minus integral v du. So let us take u is equal to f of x, dv equal to g of x dx. Okay. Now taking integration on both sides, integral dv equal to integral g of x dx. So derivative integration get cancelled. V equal to integral g of x dx. Okay. So it will going to be integral where u place in, we should write f of x dv. dv value integral dv value g of x dx equal to, where u place in, we should write f of x v. v for integral g of x dx minus du, v du. So du derivative of, so what is u? u place in, write f of x integral v for integral g of x dx. Okay, one dx divide and multiply. This is the integral by parts formula. F of x into first function into derivative integration of second function minus, so differentiation of first function. Differentiation of first function is nothing but f dash x integral g of x dx whole dx. So this is the integration by parts formula. Okay, now explain proper choice for first and second functions. Okay, we have got this value integral f of x g of x dx equal to first function into integral second function minus integration of first function into integral of second function whole integration. Okay. Okay, now explain proper choice of first and second functions. Okay, now explain first point. The first function is the function which comes first in the word isolate, where I for inverse trigonometric functions, inverse trigonometric functions. Example, sin inverse x, cos inverse x, and so on. Okay. L for logarithmic functions. So logarithmic functions examples, log x, log 1 plus x, and so on. A for algebraic functions. So algebra functions examples x, x square and so on. Okay, now explain what is the trigonometric functions. Trigonometric functions examples sin x, cos x, tan x and etc. Okay, so what is E? E for exponential functions. Exponential functions. So like examples e to the power x, e to the power x square, okay, and so on. Okay, now explain second point. If one of the function is not directly integrable and there is no other function, then unity means one is taken as g of x. G of x means second function. Okay. Okay, now explain question number 1. Integral x sin x dx, where x is algebra function, sin x is trigonometry function. Which function comes first from this order? Algebra function. So first algebra function taken as f of x. So trigonometry function is g of x. Okay. On substituting f of x place in x, g of x place in sin x in this formula. What is the formula? F of x, g of x. Integral f of x into g of x. Integral x into sin x. F of x into, it will going to be, where f of x place in right x. Integral g of x dx. Sin x dx minus f dash x. D by dx of, where f of x value x. Integral g of x place in, we should write sin x dx whole dx. Okay, so x into integral sin x, we get minus cos x. So differentiation of x with respect to x1, integral sin x value minus cos x dx. It will going to be minus x cos x. So minus into minus plus, integral cos x, we have sin x plus c. So this is answer. Let us go to the next problem. So integral x log x, where x is algebra function, log x is logarithmic function. Which function comes first from this order? Logarithmic function is first function. Okay, so logarithmic function, let us take f of x. So g of x is x. So write correct order. First write f of x value log x into x dx, where f of x is log x, g of x is x. Okay, what is the formula? F of x into integration of g of x minus derivative of first function, integration of second function, whole integration. So where f of x place in, we should write log x, g of x place in write x dx minus differentiation of f of x, differentiation of log x. Okay, integral x dx whole dx. It will going to be log x into different integration of x dx is x square by 2. So differentiation of log x is 1 by x. Integration of x dx, we get x square by 2 dx. So 1 x get cancelled. It will going to be log x into x square by 2 minus 1 by 2 constant. Integral x dx, we get x square by 2 plus c. So x square by 2 into 1 by 2, this is x square by 4. This is answer. So what is the answer? Log x into x square by 2 minus 1 by 4 times of x square plus c. Okay, let us go to the next problem. Integral x secant square x dx, where x is algebra function, secant square x is trigonometry function. Okay, which function comes first from this order? Highlight algebra function. So let us take f of x is algebra function, g of x is trigonometry function. So what is the formula? F of x into first function into integration of second function minus integration of derivative of first function into integration of second function. Okay, on substituting f of x and g of x place in x secant square x, where f of x into integral secant square x dx minus f dash x, so derivative of f of x, so d by dx of x integral, where g of x place in, we should write secant square x dx whole dx. So x into integral secant square x, we get tan x minus, so dx get cancelled, integral secant square x is tan x dx. Now it will going to be x tan x minus integral tan x, integration of tan x is log secant x plus c. This is answer. Okay, let us go to the next problem. So integral log x dx. Okay, so log x, integral log x. If one of the function is not directly integrable and there is no other function, let us take one unity as g of x. Okay, so log x, let us take f of x. Okay, what is the formula? Integral f of x dx is equal to f of x into, where f of x place in, we should write log x. So log x into integral 1 dx minus, so d by dx of f of x. This f dash x is nothing but d by dx of f of x. Okay, so d by dx of log x integral 1 dx whole dx. It will going to be log x into integral 1 dx, we get x minus differentiation of log x is 1 by x, so integral 1 dx is x dx. In this x get cancelled, log x into x minus integral 1 dx, it will going to be x. This is answer. Okay, in this formula on substituting f of x, g of x place in sin inverse x and 1. So what is the answer? Sin inverse x into integral 1 dx minus differentiation of first function and integration of second function whole integration. Okay, so sin inverse x into integral 1 dx value x. Now I say that derivative of sin inverse x, we have 1 by root 1 minus x square, integral 1 dx is x dx. Okay, we have one formula, integral f dash x dx by root f of x. It will going to be 2 into root f of x plus c. 2 into root f of x plus c. So sin inverse x into x, write this plus. Let us observe 1 minus x square. So differentiation of 1 minus x square is minus 2x. Okay, differentiation of 1 0, differentiation of minus x square is minus 2x. Write plus of minus x dx by root under 1 minus x square. Okay, now divide multiplied by 2. So let us take 1 minus x square is f of x, then minus 2x is f dash x. What is the formula? Integral f dash x dx by root under f of x is 2 into root f of x plus c. Okay, it will going to be x sin inverse x plus 1 by 2 times of, so integral f dash x dx by root f of x. What is the formula? 2 root f of x, 2 times of, so root f of x plus c, where f of x place in, we should write 1 minus x square. This is answer. So x sin inverse x plus root 1 minus x square plus c. What is the answer? X sin inverse x plus root under 1 minus x square plus c. Let us go to the next problem. So integral cos inverse x dx. Okay. So let us take one is g of x, where f of x is cos inverse x. Okay. So what is the formula? Integral f of x g of x dx equal to first function into integration of second function, where a first function place in we should write cos inverse x into integral 1 dx minus differentiation of first function integration of second function whole dx. It will going to be integral 1 dx, it will going to be x cos inverse x, differentiation of cos inverse x, it will going to be minus 1 by root 1 minus x square, 1 dx value x plus c. Okay. So x cos inverse x minus integral, so first root under root 1 minus x square. So root under 1 minus x square derivative minus 2x. Okay. So divide multiplied by 1, 2. So what is the formula? This is in the form of integral f dash x dx by root under f of x. So answer is 2 into root f of x plus c. Where f of x expression, what value is there? 1 minus x square. So differentiation of 1 minus x square is minus 2x. So this is f of x, minus 2x is f dash x. Okay. So x cos inverse x minus 1 by 2 times of, this formula is 2 times of root f of x. So 2 times of root under f of x expression we should write 1 minus x square plus c. 2 get cancelled. What is the answer? X cos inverse x minus root under 1 minus x square plus c. Okay, look at the next question. Integral tan inverse x into dx. Okay. In this, let us take g of x is 1, f of x is tan inverse x. So on substituting f of x, g of x values in this formula. So what is the formula? F of x into tan inverse x into first function into integration of second function minus differentiation of first function integral second function integration of g of x, integration of 1 dx whole dx. Okay, it will going to be, so tan inverse x into integral 1 dx, we get x, differentiation of tan inverse x, it will going to be 1 by 1 plus x square. So integral 1 dx is x dx. Okay, so this is x tan inverse x minus, right, first denominator 1 plus x square dx, numerator is x. This is in the form of integral f dash x dx by f of x. So what is the formula? Log mod f of x. Okay, where your f dash x is derivative of f of x. So let us observe one point, differentiation of 1 plus x square is 2x, differentiation of 1 0, differentiation of x square is 2x. So first divide multiplied by 2. So let us take 1 plus x square is f of x, then 2x is f dash x. This is in the form of integral f dash x dx by f of x. So what is the formula? Log mod f of x, log mod denominator. Okay, so x tan inverse x minus 1 by 2 times of, what is the formula? Integral f dash x dx by f of x. Formula is log mod f of x. So log of, where f of x expression write 1 plus x square. This is the answer. Thank you for watching. Remaining problems I will explain on coming class.